Hi there, welcome back to another video, and today we're looking at a basic video editing technique, which is cropping. The software we're going to use today is Filme, which is an all-in-one video editor that requires minimum editing skills. There are always times when you need to crop a video to get rid of the black bars on the side to make the video focus on your desired angle, or the video is too big for the picture and you need to crop it into the correct aspect to fit it into the picture, or just to get rid of the unnecessary information to have a better presentation. In this video, we're gonna go through the steps of cropping a video using Filme with a few easy steps. Let's jump straight into it. First, download and launch Filme on your computer. Next, import the video you want to crop by clicking on Import. You can import videos by file or folder. Then, click on the plus icon to add videos to your timeline. Click on the clip you want to crop and tap on the crop icon to crop your video or enter the preferred ratio. Then you get your video cropped. Simple as that. Repeat the procedure if you want to crop the next clip. Quick and easy with just few easy steps. Filme is a multifunctional video editor with advanced features. Users can easily create or edit videos or slideshow within seconds with minimum editing knowledge. You can add transitions, special effects, text, and audio with Filme, as well as basic editing features like cut, trim, crop, split, rotate, speed adjust, make picture-in-picture effects, and more. Click here to know more about Filme. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have learned how to crop a video with a few easy steps with Filme. Download Filme now to get started on your video editing. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like or hit the subscribe button for more videos. We make videos every day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!